Hello students, this is the question of chapter 4 determinant exercise 4.2. So basically we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so we have to prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, so we'll see this question. Okay, so what is our LHS? Basically LHS is this, right? And we will use the determinant property, like in NCERT book 6 properties has given, so I will use those properties in solving this question. Okay, so first I am writing the LHS. This is our LHS, correct? And RHS I want in this form, correct? This is our RHS, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so I will try to make this form, make in this form. So how I can make this form? If you will observe this, like this is the element 1 plus a square plus b square, but there is no b square, there is no c square in any element. Okay, so b cannot add directly. So first I will try to make this term as a square plus a square and b square and c square, anything like that. Okay, so I will try to, how I can make, like if I will multiply, if you will observe, if I am multiplying a into this term will become a square b, and if I am multiplying a into this term, it will become a square c, correct or not? A square c and a square b. So what I am going to do, I am going to multiply the the first row first row with a, and similarly second row with b, and third row with c. Okay, I am going to do this step. I am going to multiply the r1 with a, r2 with b, and r3 as c. So I am writing this step. I will write multiply r1 with a, or you can do r1 as a into r1 and r2 as b into r2 and r3 as c into r3. I am going to perform this operation. So if I am going to perform this operation, then what will happen? What will happen to LHS? Okay, if I will multiply row 1 with a, then I need to divide, correct, to make that balance. So what will happen? 1 upon a b c, just observe. Okay, you will understand. Okay, so I will multiply a, then first term will be a into a square plus 1, and this will be a into ab means a square b, and similarly this will be a square c. Okay, so this is our first row. Second row I am multiplying with b. I am multiplying with b. Then what will happen? This will happen ab square, and this will b square c and b into b square. Okay, so I am going to write the same thing, ab square. Then second will be b into b square plus 1. Okay, and then b into bc means b square c, correct? Okay, and I will multiply this with c. So what will happen to this? C square a, correct? Then c square b, and this term will be c into c square plus 1, c into c square plus 1. So okay, so I multiplied the first row with a, and I divided with a to make this balance. Okay, because you know, if anything like a I can take common. Okay, so observe little bit observation will be needed. Now what I will do, if you will observe this column, so from this column can I take a common? If I will take a common, this will become b square, this will become c square, and this will become a square plus 1. And what was our RHS? Just c1, 1 plus a square plus b square. So am I moving in right direction? Like I am getting the term a square, b square, c square, correct or not? So we are moving in right direction. Okay, so I verified. Okay, so what I will do, I will take a common from first row. If I am taking a common, then what will happen? A will come in outside, and what will happen to first column? First column will become a square plus 1. A I am taking common, then b square, then c square. Okay, similarly from the second column I am taking common as b. I am taking common as b. So b I am taking common, then this will become a square, b square plus 1, then c square, correct? And similarly from third column I will take common as c, then c I will take common, then a square, b square, then c square plus 1. This is fine. Okay, so now this will cancel with this. Okay, so outside became cancel, and now our LHS will become like this. What our LHS will become? LHS will become a square plus 1, a square, a square, a square plus 1. I'm just writing one more step, a square, a square. And what will happen to b square plus 1, b square, b square, b square plus 1, b square, and c square plus 1, c square, c square, and c square plus 1. I do. Now if you will observe the right side, what was our right side? Our right side was 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Then now you can observe easily. Now you can observe easily. What I will do? I will add this c1 plus c2 plus c3, correct? So I will do c1 as, sorry, r1 as r1 plus r2 plus r3, correct? If I will do this, then what will happen? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, and this will become 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, and this will also become 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, and this will be b square, c square, b square plus 1, b square, and c square plus 1. If you will observe the first row, you can take this common, right? So from the first row I am taking common as 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. If I am taking common, then what will happen? The first row will become 1 1 1, and second row will be as it is, b square plus 1, then b square. Then c square plus 1. Okay, now we will try to solve. How we can solve? We will do like if we are doing here, like I am subtracting simply c1 with c2. I am doing c1 as c1 minus c2 simply. Okay, and you can do one more, like you can do c2 as c2 minus c3 you can do, or leave as it is, do only one operation, it will be easy, not a big deal. c1 minus c2. If you will do this, then what will happen? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square will be as it is, and this will become 0, then b square and minus 1, then minus 1, then this will become 0, 1, b square plus 1, c square 1, b square, c square plus 1. Okay, now one more step is there, like I will expand through C1. Expand along C1. If you will expand along C1, then what will happen? 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, and then this will become sign, plus minus plus. So minus of minus 1 will become 1, correct? Minus of minus 1 will become 1. 1 into, then if you are taking this element, then this row will finish and this row will finish, correct? This row and this row will finish. Okay, then how we multiply? 1 with this c square minus 1, and then 1 into c square, correct? 1 into c square plus 1 means c square plus 1, and minus 1 into c square is c square. Then this plus minus cancel, then this will become 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, and this will become 1 into 1 is 1, so nothing, means 1 only. So 1 multiply, nothing will change. This will be 1 plus a square plus b square, and that was our RHS, correct or not? See the RHS ones, this was our RHS, right? Okay, so we got the RHS. LHS equal to RHS, so hence proved. So that's it. Okay, so if you like the solution, please like the video,